Want to get rid of annoying pop-up ads on your Samsung or Android phone? Here's how in about a minute. If you use Chrome, open the browser, tap the three dots in the top right corner, go to Settings, then scroll to Site Settings. Tap pop-ups and redirects and make sure it's turned off. This will block pop-ups while browsing. If you use Samsung Internet, open it and tap the three horizontal lines in the bottom right. Go to Settings, search for Block Pop-ups and turn it on. While you're there, enable any other ad or pop-up blocking options, like preventing external apps from opening automatically. For pop-ups that appear outside your browsers, set up a custom DNS. Go to your phone settings, open Connections, then More Connection Settings and tap Private DNS. Select Private DNS Provider Hostname, type dns@adguard.com and save. This will block many ads and trackers system-wide. With these steps, you'll enjoy a cleaner, ad-free experience on your Samsung or Android device. If this helped you, tap like, share your favorite phone tip in the comments, and subscribe for more quick tutorials.